Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk to you about the traders, about the systems, and why copy trading on gold has been one of the best decisions I've made this year. Today, I'm going to show you how I adapted. One of the easiest way I found to build a portfolio is very simple. You don't need to be an expert trader. You don't need years of experience, and with the help of a regulated broker, everything is done with transparency and proper tracking. If you've been watching the charts lately, you know gold has been performing incredibly strong for the last couple of months. I'm here in the daily chart. We can see from Monday, the market was moving upwards, and even the previous weeks and the previous months, look at the evolution of gold. It's been incredible. But in the crypto side, especially with Bitcoin, you know, it feels like it's a lot of manipulation, has been very unstable and uncertain. We don't know if we are going lower, but gold has been moving in a completely different way. And this is exactly why over time I started to focus more and more on gold copy trading with real traders, real systems, real results inside this regulated broker that I've been using for almost 2 years now. Before, I was testing different type of projects. Some of those worked, some of those failed, some of those didn't even have proper reports. And after I got introduced to this new passive income system, well, I decided to change my approach. I'm constantly looking for new traders, new expert advisors with real track records that we can see it in my FX book. If I don't have access to that data, I like to test it myself with my own capital. I always avoid martingale, I avoid greed bots. I like traders that are focusing on risk management. Those are the simple rules I'm following, and honestly, the difference has been huge. Right now, even when we have some losing trades, we still close most weeks in solid profit. Well, one of the reasons is because I diversify. That is very important. I don't depend on only one account. My purpose here is to build a solid portfolio where we can have a little bit of everything, high risk and mid risk. The low risk type, that doesn't exist in this type of industry. So today, I'm going to show you the real accounts I'm following, how I'm managing them to stay consistent over time. Real data, tracking, performance, that's it. Is there a risk? Of course, just like anything we do in life, there is always a risk, nothing is guaranteed. That's why it's important to stay informed, understand what you are doing, and never follow stuff that you don't understand. If you like this type of content, real data, transparency, no hype, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications. Come and join our Telegram group. That's the easiest way to share my quick updates, and we can discuss about this. So let me show you the results from this week. Inside the broker Lirunex, I'm following 5 accounts. Well, actually 6 with this one that I started to use. I'm still testing. Okay, let's start from the first one. Secure Trader. It didn't perform any trades during Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, they have a trade with a 1.63% in profits. Thursday, we have some losses. Friday, no trades. So this week, we close this account with some losses. Now, with Leo's Gold, we have a 4.96% profits on Monday. No trades on Tuesday. Wednesday, 1.85. Thursday, 0.53. No trades last Friday. We close the week on 7.34% in gains. We have Gold Nuts with a consistent performance during the whole week, closing with a 1.98%. Luxovia, that was a negative week for Luxovia. Big Fat Gold, another account. This one is amazing. I consider this one a high risk. We had trades on Tuesday and Wednesday, 12%, 19%. The other days, it didn't have any positions, but we closed the week on a 32% in profits. And Abisco, this is a new account that I'm trying. It's the only account that is not trading gold, is doing Euro USD. My first week using it, amazing results, 23% in profits. But there are a couple of things that I have to show you about this one. Now, all of these accounts give us a total return of 24% for this week, which is really good. And this is why I say diversification plays a big role. Even when 1 or 2 accounts are underperforming, the other accounts are helping me to cover those losses and stay in profit. If we look at the previous week, the week from the 12th of January to the 16th of January. We closed that week with a total of 95% in profits. And this past week, well, we have a lot of news, about Trump and all of those things that are affecting the market. You can see many of those days the traders decided not to open any positions, but still 24%. To me, is a big success. Hopefully we can have the same or better results this week. Now, let me give you a quick overview of all of these accounts. Let's start from the riskiest to the type of accounts that like to control more the risk. The first one, Big Fat Gold. They got started in the December 2025, and until today, they are locking total gains of 1,444%. This is insane. This is giving an average daily return of 5.87%. During January, we are sitting at this point at 295% in returns. Honestly, I thought this account would disappear super fast because if you pay attention, here we have the results in history, and the returns are great, are huge, but also when you have losses, those ones are big. And if we go in the opposite direction, this can wipe out our accounts. So far, as you can see in the results, they are having an amazing evolution, and the trades, as you can see, they have more wins than losses, which is perfect. But still, I consider this a risky account. When they finish the session, I immediately go and take profits. That's nothing wrong with that. I already collect my initial twice, and basically I'm playing with house money. Very important about this account, this is a cent account. The minimum deposit here is 100 USD, and they have a performance fee that they charge weekly. No martingale, no grid bot. And I think that's why this account is having an amazing run. Okay, the next one, this is the Secure Trader 100% Lirunex. They have another Secure Trader that got started in, I think that was October. Amazing results. I think the people that was in that account from the very beginning, they tripled their investment until one day, boom, they blow up the account. That's the way it is. It could happen, especially with aggressive approaches. The traders try to catch the pullback, but if the market decides to go in the opposite direction, nobody can stop it. Anyways, the community want this account back because the trader was doing an amazing job for so long. And in January, the 4th of January, I started with this new account. So far, they have a 57% in gains. We have more frequent losses, but the lot size, as you can see, stays always the same. The trades are fast, usually closed after a couple of minutes, more wins than losses. I also consider this one a risky account, but usually he catches the perfect entry, which is really good. This is also a cent account, minimum deposit 10,000 cents equals 100 US dollars, and a 25 weekly performance fee. Returns for this account are going between 2% to 6% daily. All of these accounts are performing from Monday to Friday. The next one here is probably one of my favorite accounts. This is Leo's Gold in Lirunex. They got started in August 28th of 2025, and they have a total gain sitting in 176%, an average daily return of 0.68%. So far in January, we have a total of 34% in gains. And if we pay attention to the performance of this account here in history, lots of gains, but here we also have more longer trades. Some of those even open for 1, 2, or 3 days. This one was open for 4 days. I have all the accounts set in the minimum lot size, which is 0.01, and this account in particular has an amazing performance. You can see all in green. This is always winning. Look, 4 pages, 5 pages, all close in profit. Amazing account. I really like this one. Now, this is also a cent account, 100 minimum entry, average return daily 0.70%, 25% weekly performance fee. All of those fees are charged every Monday. So when you start the week, you're gonna see that they deduct some money from your balance. Very important. This is no martingale, no great bot. Let's go to the next account. Well, Luxovia It's something, they have one of the best performing accounts inside Lirunex. That's the master account with a very high price entry. And here in my FX book, we can see the performance of that account. But now they have a slave mirroring that account with a smaller price entry. This was my second week inside this account. If we look at the stats, it looks really good. They have a total profit of 197%. And this is from October 2025. But these last 2 weeks since I joined, we are in negative, but that is normal. Sometimes traders or expert advisors, they're gonna have a season where it looks like they are underperforming, but actually it's because sometimes the strategy they have is not adapting to the market conditions. I really want to test it because they have amazing stats. Looks like they have a good risk management. Hopefully this week I can see some of that in my account. You can find this account inside Lirunex, but it's not copy trading. This is a PAN account. So you can deposit in USDT. Minimum deposit is 100. The average return is 1%. And we have another account right here. This is Golden Nuts FX. I like what they are doing. I like the way they perform. Well, the admin behind this account, he says the master account is located in RoboForex, and they have over 1,000 in total returns. So they decided to open this account inside Lirunex, and they got started in January 9th. So far, they have a total return of 12%. That's what we got this month. And I'm going to show you right here the history. They are basically trading two different instruments. One is gold and also the GBP USD. Excellent results, as you can see. There are a few losses. Let's go to the beginning, the first page. Yeah, you can see more frequent losses, but again, they have more winning trades than losing trades. And if you check my report, look, the returns are very settled. To me, it looks more like a serious account. They are not gambling here, and I like it. I like that. That's the type of account that I want to increase my position. This is also a cent account, minimum deposit 100. The same standard fee, 25% weekly. Best for long term. Now, I've been trying this new account. It's called Apisco Copy. They got started in September. The evolution of the account looks pretty healthy. The ROI, no losses since they got started. But you can see right here we have episodes of huge drawdown. But because I saw they were having a steady growth, I decided to try it. So far, they are sitting in 135% in total returns since they got started in September. Excellent returns during my first week here, 23%. But I want to test it more because I don't have much information. But I took my report, I put it in ChatGPT. I asked to help me understand the strategy, and I think they are using something very similar to martingale. And as I told you, I prefer to avoid that type of strategies. At the beginning can look very good, but if one day, if we have a long trend, that could give us huge problems. We can lose our account in one day, and I don't want that to happen again. Let's see how it performs this week, and well, I will keep you informed. Now, if you think this is something that you would like to try, if you want to build a portfolio in this 2026 with transparency, with real track records, then I definitely invite you to check this option using a regulated broker, Lirunex. And the process to get started is simple. What you need to do first is open an account with Lirunex just by clicking the first link down below the description of this video. Once you open an account, then you need to perform a KYC. Just follow the steps, and after you are verified, you need to perform a deposit. You have the option to do it with TRC20, ERC20, and now you have BIP20 as well. After you finish the whole transaction, now you need to create a sub account inside Lirunex. That's how you're gonna keep track of each one of your strategies. All of them has to be separated. You just go to account, create account. You have all of these types of account, but the one we're gonna need, especially for the accounts that I showed you before, is the cent account in MT4. So select here MT4, give it a name. You will see here your deposit. Type here the amount you want for that account. After you click in create, they will give you some information you will need later. Then to subscribe, you go to social trading. Type here the name of the account, the one you want to try, and then click in subscribe. Then you're gonna go directly to the stats, go to the bottom of the page, and you will find a button that says subscribe. If it's cents, don't worry, the system automatically is gonna turn it into cents. Now, after you click the button, you will see a message that looks something like this. In this drop down, you will find the account that you just create with the balance that you assign for that account. What I do is leave it in proportional to balance, and I type here the 0.01 lots. That's the recommended, and that's it. I click on subscribe. If you want to follow the performance of your accounts in your phone, then you can download MetaTrader 4, search for Lirunex, and use the information they gave you before to log into your account. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I show you the accounts I'm following, the results from this week, and how I'm managing my portfolio with diversification and proper risk control. The main thing I want you to take from this video is simple. There are no shortcuts to trading, there is no magic system, but we can use the help of professionals to do all the hard work for us, and well, as long as they do it with discipline, transparency, and we can have access to real data over time, then I think we have an interesting option to start to capitalize this year. I'm not here to promise you easy money. I'm here to share what I'm doing, what is working for me, also what is not working for me, because I'm sharing my whole process. Probably this content can help you to make better decisions for yourself. Always remember, there is a risk involved. Never invest money that you cannot afford to lose, and always take the time to understand what you are doing. If you want to stay updated with my latest results, the new accounts, the marketing insights, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications. Join our Telegram community, the link is in the description. I really appreciate everyone who is supporting the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for trusting the process, and thank you for being part of this journey. Have an amazing week. Happy compoundings. My name is Will, the leader. I'll see you in the next video.